Hey guys, it's Ellie, and look at what my boyfriend got me for Christmas. It's a Mazda RX-7 Drift Spec kit car, and I'm so excited to build it. Let's open this box. So I'm just opening up my Christmas present. It's a Mazda RX-7 Drift Spec kit. I can't wait to pick a color and spray the body. I fast forwarded the part of me unboxing all of the parts as it took a long time and I didn't want to bore you guys. This is my first time unboxing a kit car and I didn't really expect this many parts to be in the box. Well guys, that's everything in the box. It's time for me to start building this thing. I'm going to be doing a series of me building this car. It may be quite a journey as it is the first car that I have built, but stay tuned. So first update, page 1 is complete. Went pretty well, not too difficult. Now we're going on to page 2. Hey guys, so page 3 is done. Pretty easy. Alright guys, so this page is complete as well. Starting to come together quite nicely. The motor's in. Both diffs are in. Front upper and lower arms are in. Pretty pleased with it so far. As you can see, the car is starting to come together and I haven't had any problems yet. So I have started putting the shocks together. I'm used to the Traxxas size and these ones are a lot smaller. Hey guys, just a little bit of an update. Just made the shocks for the drift car. There's a drift car just sitting there for now, but yeah, got these in. They were a little bit difficult getting the shaft and the bottom piece to tighten up all the way, but we got there in the end. So yeah, let's go on to the next page. Hey guys, so I haven't put the shocks on, they're just chilling in the car right now. I have completed both of these pages. So the steering links are in, they're here. The next part, if we turn the page, is to start getting into the steering servo. So stay tuned for this. Hope you guys liked my video. Subscribe, like, and share. I will be doing another video of my build soon. Be sure to stay tuned and watch this video right now.